Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Geoffrey Gicode. In case you are new, welcome to the channel and kindly subscribe so that you get other updates whenever we do upload new videos. So today we are going to talk about another project. It's all about new digital projects that can actually reward us with passive income. So this one is called Highpoint. Almost the same way as Titano and QUOTEX that we talked about earlier, but now a bit twisted. So you are going to see how this one is actually going to work into the DeFi ecosystem. So guys, let's get into it. Guys, we are here yet again with another project. Yes, we love talking about crypto, passive income, and here again we are here with another great project that is just yet to launch. So this is a very first-hand information coming to you, a project that's going to launch on the March 14th. So there will be a live MA on Monday, March 14th, and then it will launch at 4 p.m. PST. So this project called Highpoint Finance, it doesn't have much difference from other projects I've talked about, like the Titano. We've also seen the QUOTEX and other projects like Libero. So it's just the same logic as that one, but now this one will be launching on the Avalanche network. Of the two projects, the Titano and the QUOTEX, I did talk about they were launched on Binance Smart Chain, but this one will be going live on the Avalanche network. So some of the key things to note about this one, just in the website, when you go through it, automatically earn passive income in your wallet. It's kind of genius. Simply buy and hold the Highpoint token to earn explosive yet sustainable passive income powered by an attractive 4,000% APY. So the difference is that Titano was going up to 100k, the QUOTEX was also around 100k there, but this one is a bit less, but still crazy APYs. These are kind of a crazy APYs. They are fixed APYs, and automatically reinvesting every 30 minutes, just the same way as Titano, 48 times per day. So on the open app, you can see it's coming soon, so not yet launched. You'll have to read the white paper so that you can understand it better. Guys, it's always good that you do your due diligence, do your own research, guys, before you put your money into any project. So I'm just here to give you information on what's coming, doing some research, giving you those degen before they explode. But now it's good that you DYOR, do your own research. So a simple, stable, and predictable way to earn passive income. Here at Highpoint, we want to build a safe long-term investment opportunity for those realistic and careful investors out there. We stray away from degen APYs to keep our treasury healthy while still offering competitive returns. So if you go still on the homepage, you can see some of the things that they're able to show you, how you can predict your earnings here. So safe, stable, passive income. Then just a prediction in case you just invest $1,000 into this project with 4,000 APY, you can get up to $4K in a year. So this is really explosive, guys. I don't think you can get this kind of investment returns in the banks. So we are all about risk. Don't risk whatever you cannot afford to lose. That's the game. Don't risk what you cannot afford to lose, but we have to go that extra mile of risking. So 4,000% if you fixed APY doesn't $1,000 growing into 4,000k sound nice. So well, with our 4,000% APY being a lower rate than other projects, we are strongly positioned to be able to maintain a long-term fixed APY. So that's the dashboard there, automatic compound. So it's all about just the same thing. So you can see the roadmap here, some of the things that they have already achieved, and their roadmap on things they do want to work on. So there's a few things already achieved. but there's a long way still to go. So this is an early project. It will be great that you get in early before the value really spike. If we've seen with the Titano going up to 20 cents from 0.1 cent. So the Safu, it's crazy, guys. If you go check on those kind of coins I'm talking about, Safu, Titano, they've really rewarded people who are there in early. As much as the game is long term, but those who are there in early, they really reaped some good money. So this is some of their roadmaps, things that they want to achieve. So it will be good that you follow them in their socials so that you can get daily updates whenever they do upload new news into their socials. In our channel also, guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you can also get more updates from our channel. Kindly help the channel grow. We want to really hit that 1,000 subscribers mark and the 4,000 watch hours. So just looking into some of the things in their white paper, not really going deep, but we have to see a few things there. So let's be real, it's impossible. Here at Highpoint, we want to build a safe long-term investment opportunity for those realistic, careful investors out there. After all, slow and steady wins the rest. So their main objective is to have that a bit lower APY compared to those other projects, but the game is to be a bit slow, but it's sure, guys, it will actually win the race. So it's actually sustainable. So after all, slow and steady wins the race. So HPT, their token, ticker symbol, the Highpoint token, is a staking protocol token on the Avalanche network with an absolute supply. We won't be minting any more tokens, so it's very important that you know that one. So they won't be minting any more tokens once it goes live, and a positive rebase algorithm. HPT is aiming to give HPT holders a stable form of passive income while building a strong community with the potential to expand and add new benefits for our long-term holders. So I just want to take you through the fees so that you get informed about their fees. So Highpoint's buying and selling fees, the buying fee is at HPT is 10%, then the selling at 20%. So it means that the slippages will be set at 10 and 20 for buying and selling respectively. So these fees are vital to the Highpoint ecosystem. They fund the treasury, rebase wallet, utility wallet, and combat price volatility. So you'll need to go check on the treasury, rebase, and the utility wallet so that you know what each of these wallets do in the system. So Highpoint prioritizes the stability and reliability of our token. We have observed many tokens that have attempted different strategies to provide a solid concrete platform and have chosen the best method we see fit for our project. So they have watched on the market what other projects are doing, the trend, and then they've chosen what's best fit their clients. So that is you as the hodlers. So just to note on the fees, we said there's the treasury wallet, the rebase, and the utility wallet. So when you buy, here is how these fees are taken. So 3% HPT to liquidity, sustain, 3% treasury wallet, 2% rebase, and 2% utility wallet. Whenever you buy, you'll be taxed 10%, and there's a way it's going to be allocated into the whole system so that it can now be sustainable. So when we sell these tokens, the tax are a bit higher, and it's a way to incentivize people so that they can just hold their tokens. So there's not that massive sell-off pressure. So 7% to treasury wallet, 5% utility, 5% to liquidity, and 3% to rebase. So that's how it will all be divided into the ecosystem. So that being said, upon official launch, our selling fees will be temporarily be 50%. This is to mitigate the pre-sale dumpers and protect the tokens liquidity each day, and selling fees will be dropped by 3%. So on the launch date, I guess when people will be buying, the token will actually pump, but to prevent dumping, so the tax will be at 50% instead of 20% at selling. So it will now make people not to sell this token at a high rate, and the dumping happens. So each day these taxes will be going down with the 3% until it reaches 20%, which is the right tax for the system. So there's a breakdown for the temporary tax on the launch and how it will be allocated. So here the selling fees will be broken up upon official launch. So temporary selling fees 50%, so 3% per day until 20%. So that 5% liquidity, then negative 3% per day until 5%. Then 7% to treasury, 5% to utility, and 3% to rebase. So that's how on the launch it will be done until we reach that 20% mark for the selling taxes. So it's always good that you follow these guys in their socials so that you can see what they're really doing. So the community is very important for any project to actually thrive. So this is their Twitter page account. So here I can see the followers currently at 2.3k, but now when you follow them in their Discord, you can go see how many people they have actually reached so far. I want to be looking into the Discord, so just to see, there's some pinned tweets here 3 days ago, and then in 12 hours by the time I'm posting, I'm recording this video, so it means that they're really active here. So 18 hours, you need to check into projects that are actually active, because projects that are not active in social media, it means that there's not that hype about it. So no, the community is really important for a project actually to grow and actually make it. So that's one thing you really need to check on. So they are not yet launched into the coin market or the CoinGecko, but those are some of the things that they are actually working on at the current moment. So just follow them, subscribe to the channel, so that when we do update more videos about them, you do get updates and actually know when they go live.